In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from Zoho CRM. Sending emails directly from Zoho CRM allows you to keep everything organized and streamline your communication. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is go to Zoho CRM. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. You'll need to log in if you haven't already done so. Enter your login credentials carefully, and once you're in, you'll be welcomed by the dashboard. This is your central hub for all CRM activities. Next, you'll want to find the Contacts module. Look at the menu bar on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see various options. Click on Contacts. This section houses all your existing contacts, each of whom you have previously added to your CRM. It's where you can manage and view all relevant details about your clients or customers. Once you've selected Contacts, you'll see a list of all your contacts displayed. From here, you need to choose a specific contact to whom you wish to send the email. Browse through the list or use the search bar if you have a large number of contacts. Once you have found the desired contact, click on their name. This will open up the individual's contact record, displaying detailed information about them. Now that you are viewing a contact's details, you'll notice various options at the top. One of these options will be Send Email. Click on this option. Doing so will open up the email composition window. This is where you'll draft the email that you want to send. In the email composition window, begin by entering the email title. This is your subject line, and it should be concise yet descriptive enough to give the recipient a clear idea of what your email is about. Next, move on to the message body, which is where the main content of your email goes. Write your message with clarity and purpose, ensuring that you communicate exactly what you intend. With your email message composed, take a moment to review it. Make sure there are no typos or errors that might have crept in. Once you're satisfied with your email, look back at the top or bottom of the email window. You'll see the Send button. Click on it to send your email right away. And there you have it. Sending an email from Zoho CRM. By following these simple steps, you can easily keep in touch with your contacts, ensuring your communication remains efficient and well organized within your CRM system. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your email interactions through Zoho CRM smooth and successful.